very good for calculations and each and everything. The everything that it gives to child. It's very good. All of it, it's very
So would you
good.
recommend to others?
Yeah, I've recommended to all. I think I've recommended to many. In fact, to my sisters in Punjab, in Delhi also I've recommended. They have joined there also.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so
thank
much.
you.
How was the experience at the regionals today?
The experience was very overwhelming because the way they were telling kids what to do, and the focus was not on the competition, the focus was to develop the mental ability of the child and the concentration of the child, which will stay with them for lifelong. So it was a real good experience for Anya and for me too.
And so how was the, what would you say? Would you like to say anything about Brain O Brain? How it has groomed your child?
Braino
What are the
Brain and
changes?
especially Sunita ma'am, her efforts, they have groomed the child in a very exceptional way where she can focus and concentrate on her studies in all the parts, in school and other activities in a very amazing way. Thank you so much.
Anya, would you like to say something about Brain O Brain?
Yes, Anya, say
Do you
something.
enjoy doing Brain O Brain? Yes. I love Brain O Brain. Do you?
Say happy birthday for Ibrahim No Brain. Say hip hip hooray!
What are the changes you have seen in Avia life
I have seen the changes
after joining Brain O Brain?
after joining Brain O Brain. I have seen the changes that she has improved maths. First of all, maths. In school also, she's improved. She has not getting the problem on the maths, doing maths, and she is not getting the problem on the learning English. And she spoke very well. So it's a very good experience for
The
me.
confidence and
Yeah, she got the confidence and personality development. It's very good experience for me.
would you suggest it to your friends and all?
Yeah, sure. Every time, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Position. Ready? Start. Braino Brain? It is a skill development program. Five, 9, less 2, 9, 8, 5, less 3, less 1, 4, 6, 1, 7, less 4, 3, less 5, 4, less 1, 6, 7, 2. That is
6-0.
6-0 is the right answer. Big round of applause.
Four, less 3, 9, 7, 5, 5, less 1, 2, 6, less 8. Got.
2-6.
So would you like to share the experience?
Yes, ma'am. Me and my kid Kanishka Bhatnagar is associated with Braino Brain and with you from last 1.5 years. And right now she is in level 7. Braino Brain, what to say? It's a huge thing in our life. Because of Braino Brain, my kid has been scoring highs in every field she is doing. She's playing tennis, she's excelling in that. She is excelling in studies. She is excelling in all the competitions she participates. And that's just because of the Braino Brain. So 3 cheers to Braino Brain, and I would request everyone to join Braino Brain. And I wish when I was child, there would have been Braino Brain kind of thing, then I would have been in the other world actually.
Ma'am, what changes have you found in your child like after joining Braino Brain?
Actually, Adiv is he's not actually shy, but I think he is a little bit underconfident. So, for 1 year he is in Braino Brain, and I found he is getting more confident. Means actually, he was in different education society for abacus. But when he joined Braino Brain, his confidence level has boosted up. Means I found him, he actually enjoys Braino Brain. And today one thing gets stuck in my mind, what sir has said, 3-minute concentration. So he has asked some questions amongst the child कि किसने जो distract नहीं हुए. So Adiv has raised his hand and he was so confident, and I asked him also. So this thing had stuck in my mind कि it's actually 3-minute concentration, and it is not only concentration, it's a type of meditation type of thing. Means the brain is exercising, and so many things are happening around you, and you are not getting distracted by that. It's really yes, it struck my mind.
Baby कब से है Braino Brain?
Braino Brain में वो 1.5 years से है, और उसने बहुत एंजॉय किया Braino Brain. मैंने उसको बीच में बोला कि उसका बस हो गया, बट नहीं, वो एंजॉय की. उसके मैथ्स में मार्क्स स्कूल में कम आते हैं, तो फिर हमने जब से Braino Brain ज्वाइन किया है, उनकी क्लास टीचर्स वगैरह सब ने बोला है कि एक्सीलेंट चेंज आया है आपकी बेटी में, तो जो Braino Brain से हुआ है. हाँ,
तो मैथ्स के अलावा और कोई चेंजेस जो आपने ऑब्जर्व किया आपने?
मैथ्स के अलावा उसका कॉन्फिडेंस है. सबसे मेन उसका कॉन्फिडेंस इतना बढ़ गया है कि वो हर चीज़ में खुद उनकी हो जाती है कि मैं चाहूँगी करके. और ये सब आपके कारण हुआ है मैम, कि वो हर चीज़ में फर्स्ट रहती है कि मुझे ये भी करना है, मुझे वो भी करना है, सब चीज़ में. और उसका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इतना अच्छा हो गया है कि टू गुड.
education.
Concentration.
Concentration. Very good. Excellence. Self-development. Very good.
Confidence.
Self-confidence. Improvement.
Fast calculations.
Fast calculation.
Focus.
Focus.
Mind blowing.
Mind blowing. Amazing. I think they chose what was close to them, and all these adjectives they used for Brain O Brain, we are dedicating back to them. They are mind blowing. They are amazing. They are wonderful. So big round of applause to them.
Hello, sir.
I'm from Bilaspur Center.
Okay.
And you are from?
Great. I'm from Ashoka Ratan, Raipur.
Okay. You are running this center for how many years?
I've been running the center for past 6 years, sir.
What is your experience in running this center?
Well, prior to this center, I was a school teacher, right, in DPS. I was teaching English. And once I started this Brain O Brain, I just heard a lot about Bacchus, that it does wonders and whatever. But when I saw the parents, when I saw the children growing as they were doing Brain O Brain, I got the confidence, because I was not very confident, okay, Bacchus must be something, okay. But when I saw the children growing, grooming and getting the confidence, improving in the concentration level, the feedbacks that I got from the parents, that was awesome, and then that triggered me. I wasn't very serious about Brain O Brain, but when I saw the changes in the children, that made me get serious into it.
See, I can see a school teacher becoming a trainer, and I'm very much confident that you are enjoying this profession, right?
Yeah, definitely. It's become my passion now, you know.
It has become a passion.
Yes.
See, nice to hear this. Chief, I'm running the center in Bilaspur. The changes I have seen in students is, like, tell them to go to school, they will say, I'm sick, I don't feel like going, but are you ready to go to Brain O Brain? They say, definitely yes. You are sick, today take rest, but they say, no, I'll go to Brain O Brain class. Such a wonderful experience we are gathering. I would like to tell other faculties and franchises that both of us, Sunita ma'am, I know she started before me in Raipur, then later I started in Bilaspur. Both the centers are growing well. In both the cities we are really enjoying, and I'm sure all the faculties, all the franchises, those who are running Brain O Brain centers, they are enjoying this. And ask them, can you join any school? They'll say, no, we are enjoying whatever we are doing, and we are doing with heart.
Right.
Ma'am,
And basically, you know, we are working on the skill building of the children, which no school does. So generally in the schools, they just get the knowledge. Even in DPS, whether it was DPS, they don't teach how to learn. But here we are teaching them the techniques. So that's making a huge difference. And I'm glad that I'm a part of Brain O Brain now. I'm happy. Brain O Brain, I love you.
Brain O Brain is great.
And Brain O Brain rocks.
Rocks.